Next phylum of Ctenophora. Ctenophora, here C is of silent. Maximum animals marine, that is present in the sea water. Radial symmetry. Radial symmetry, that means body can divide into equal to halves from any planes. Diploblastic, that is two body layer present, that is ectoderm or endoderm. Pelzic or pelagic. Pelagic means that is present in the bottom, especially on the bottom of the sea water, that is known as pelagic. Solitary. Solitary, that is of lonely present, अकेला अगर रहता है तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? Solitary. Body flat. Flat, oval shaped और rounded. Flat भी हो सकती है, oval shaped भी हो सकती है और rounded भी हो सकती है. Ciliated comb plate present. Ciliated comb plate, comb like plate present होती है, that help in the locomotion. Ciliated comb like present होती है जिसको जो कि लोकोमोशन में हेल्प करती है. बायोलुमिनेंस करेक्टर. बायोलुमिनेंस, bioluminescence character means these are animals reproduce lights. Bio means living organism and lumi means they produce light. That's why it is called bioluminescence characteristic present is there. Hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means that is bisexual and reproduction sexual. Sexual reproduction present in there. Fertilization external. External fertilization present outside the body, that is of external fertilization. Example, Hormifora. Or it is also called sea walnut. Sea walnut. So these are the characteristics of Ctenophora characters, Ctenophora phylums. The next phylum is of Platyhelminthes. Next phylum, that is of Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat and helminthes means that is worm. It is also called flat worm. Their body is dorsally ventrally flat. एकदम चपटे होते हैं ऊपर से नीचे से. That's why these are known as flat worms, dorsally ventrally flat. Flat. Acoelomate. सिलोमेट जो है सिलोम, बॉडी सिलोम नहीं होती है. ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक मीन्स थ्री बॉडी लेयर प्रेजेंट. बायलेटरल सिमेट्री. बायलेटरल Symmetry means body can divided into two equal halves from only one plane, that is of bilateral symmetry. Free living or parasitic. Free living or parasitic means they are parasite on the other organism. Primitive organ level of organization. Primitive organ level of organization. ऑर्गन जो है डेवलप होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट प्रिमिटिव ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सिफिलाइजेशन प्रेजेंट. व्हाट इज सिफिलाइजेशन? दैट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हेड. हेड सिर का बनना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज सिफिलाइजेशन, मीन्स इसमें सिर बन जाता है. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इनकम्प्लीट. Digestive system incomplete, not complete. That is not well developed. Nervous system is also underdeveloped. Nervous system, that is again primitive. Develop होना start हो जाता है nervous system. Respiration through diffusion process. Through diffusion process. And most important characteristics, that is of excretion by the phlegm cell. Excretion by phlegm cells. These are the specific giant cells. बड़ी बड़ी सेल्स होती है जिनको फ्लेम सेल कहते हैं. इसमें एक्सक्रीशन जो है किसके थ्रू होता है? फ्लेम सेल के थ्रू यहाँ पर एक्सक्रीशन होता है. हर्माफ्रोडाइट यानी बाइसेक्सुअल. रिप्रोडक्शन सेक्सुअल और एसेक्सुअल. रिप्रोडक्शन दोनों होता है, एसेक्सुअल and sexual. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction is there. And example, planaria. Planaria is the example of Platyhelminthes and tapeworm. Tapeworm, that is also known as Taenia solium. Scientific name है tapeworm का Taenia solium. Another one is a plain platelworm, that is tapeworm और planaria इसी की example है. So these are the flatworm, which is dorsally ventrally flat. Next phylum is of Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes, it is also called Nemetehelminthes. Nemetehelminthes we can see also known as nematoda. That word is derived from nema. Nema means thread, and helminthes, that is worm. Thread worm, that is thread like elongated structure, and thread like structure, and worm means elongated. So it is also known as round worm. Thread means that is round in shape, so also called round worm. Round worm. Their body is cylindrical. Body, the body is of cylindrical or thread-like. cylindrical or thread like. Triploblastic means 3 body layer is present, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Pseudocoelom, pseudo means the coelom is there, but their lining of the coelom is not made up from mesoderm, that is of pseudocoelom. Before Aschelminthes in all phylum, that coelom is absent. Just it, that is phylum Porifera, phylum Silicata, phylum Ctenophora, phylum Platyhelminthes. इन सब में coelom नहीं होती है और इसी के अंदर pseudocoelom प्रेजेंट होती है. इससे पहले किसी के अंदर coelom नहीं पाई जाती. Pseudocoelom is there. That next is a bilateral symmetry. Bilateral means body can divided into 2 equal part from one plane. Single plane से इसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया जा सकता है. Bilateral symmetry. Cephalization, that is means head formed, complete हो जाता है. इससे पहले वाले ग्रुप के अंदर भी हेड बनता, वेल डेवलप्ड हेड जो है यहाँ पर बनता. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हेड इन द एंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द organism, that process is known as cephalization. Digestive system complete. Digestive system यहाँ complete हो जाता है. Respiration by the general surface. Respiration occurs through the general surface. Normal surface के through यहाँ पे respiration होता है. Is excretion. It is again important portion through which one word question is put up, that is of excretion. One word question put up in the different examination. Excretion occurs through protonephridia cells. प्रोटोनेफ्रिडिया. इससे पहले जो ग्रुप है प्लेटीहेल्मिन्थीज, उसके अंदर एक्सक्रीशन किसके थ्रू होता है? थ्रू द फ्लेम सेल्स. इसके अंदर किसके थ्रू होता है? प्रोटोनेफ्रिडिया के थ्रू एक्सक्रीशन होता है. एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन नॉर्मली एब्सेंट. Sexual reproduction present. And the organism is of unisexual. Organism कैसे है? तो unisexual. Example Ascaris. Ascaris, it calls Ascariasis. Ascaris, the maximum members of Aschelminthes present as a parasite. They are present in the other organism. Parasitic form के फॉर्म में ये मैक्सिमम होते हैं. तो Ascaris ह्यूमन बींग में एस्केरियसिस डिजीज करता है. इसी तरह से वुचिरेरिया, दैट कोज एलिफेंटेसियसिस. हाथी पांव रोग जो है एलिफेंटेसियसिस कोज्ड बाय द वुचिरेरिया. एस्केरिस कोज्ड Ascariasis means Ascariasis caused by the Ascaris of Aschelminthes. So these are the different characteristics of Aschelminthes or Nemathelminthes groups.